Okay, good morning, everybody. Thank you for getting up early and wrangling with crazy traffic situations. I was surprised. I had no idea. That was great. I'm like, what do you mean I can't get off at Cheyenne? I don't know what to do. So it's all good and we're all here. So my name is Lisa McAllister, and I am on the Nevada State Mock Trial Committee. And we are in charge of making this program go, and a big part of that is to get everybody trained to do so. So I want to introduce you, or have people introduce themselves who are a big part of this. So I'll start over here.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Barker. I'm former attorney coach at Faith, and I now sit on the mock trial board. I'm a civil practitioner, do civil litigation trial work.
David Barker. I'm a district court trial judge.
Kathleen.
Kathleen Dickinson, state coordinator for the lower-rated education program at the state bar. Did I say all those words in the right one?
You did.
I think so.
Kathy Brett, state bar of Nevada, co-coordinator of lower-rated education.
Okay. And somebody else coming in just now? Come on in. Okay, and so which schools do we have here today? Nice. Other schools?
Coronado over here.
Coronado. Awesome.
Green Valley.
Green Valley.
Canyon Springs.
Canyon Springs. Awesome.
Clark.
Wow.
North Valleys. And Reno. I'm Mary Candaris. I'm the attorney coach at North Valleys High School. Reno.
And you just happen to be in town, or? Perfect. Well done.
Perfect time.
That's amazing. That's awesome. So I don't remember us having Clark before.
First year,
Okay.
2 attorneys approached me and said, we're going to do this, and we're going to do it at your school. And so we got a team together and worked some.
Well, I did meet with Mike from Green Valley and just did some teacher coach stuff with him, because I was a teacher coach for 14 years. I would love to come and meet with you and kind of help you get stuff off the ground and get started and be there as a. So let me get your number later on, and we'll talk about that. Coronado, you guys.
We were new last year.
Okay.
I'm a teacher, so we just kind of put together a team with on the fly. Now we have an attorney coach.
Yay!
Giselle,
Awesome.
who has joined us.
Perfect.
And we're going to try to field 2 teams this year. We're hoping.
Nice. That's fantastic. So we have a lot of resources. We have a lot of experienced teacher coaches, attorney coaches that we are more than willing to reach out and work with you on anything that you need to work on. And the students are going, oh, I'm letting this go through my head right now because I'm just a student. Wrong. In mock trial, everything depends on you. Your teacher coach, your attorney coach are there to help you, but you drive this program. You make it be a success or a failure or just meh. It's what you make it. And if you are driven to do well, your team will do well. If you're just, well, I'm just here to put this on my resume, then that's all it's going to be. But it can change your life, and it's up to the students to use those resources and to reach out. If something doesn't seem to be going right, if you don't understand what's happening, there are people that you can talk to and you should talk to about how that works. Kevin Diamond is here. Kevin, go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Diamond. How are you?
Kevin is also on the committee with us and is here as a presenter as well. And I'm sorry, Andrew, go ahead and introduce yourself. Okay, the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to split up, which may or may not make sense, but there are certain things that attorney and teacher coaches need to know that you guys don't need to be bothered with, and there are certain things that are particular to students that I can talk to you about in preparation for your year in mock trial this year. And so, are we going across the hall? So if the teacher coaches and the attorney coaches would head across the hall to that smaller room. The students are going to stay here with me, and I'm going to give them some information and give them some basic things that they need to know to understand how this whole thing works.